back to BONOSS wheel spacer on the official channel. I'm Lulu. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. Today we'll install BONOSS wheel spacers on new Mercedes Benz GLE. Let's see the comparison before and after. Loosen all the lock nuts in a sequence of star pattern. Step on the brake pedal to prevent the wheel from rolling. Remember to clean the wheel hub with rust remover. This can make the spacers fit the wheel hub better. For front wheels, we use BONOSS Forged lightweight plus wheel spacers and Forged Grade 12.9 extended wheel bolts. The 15mm wheel spacers really make a difference. Before installing wheel spacers, there is still have a distance between the current wheels and the fender. After installing BONOSS wheel spacers, he gets an aggressive look by pushing outside of the wheels. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.